Hello my lovelies, thank you for joining me today on my channel, Kimberly's Basic Beauty Guide. My name's Kimberly. I'm a longtime beauty expert, beauty consultant, esthetician, hairstylist, a bit of it all. So I'm here to talk to you today about brows and how important they are and how easy they are. A lot of people get a little nervous about doing their own brows and not sure how to do them, especially if they don't have a lot of brow there to deal with, or sometimes if they have too much brow there to deal with. But I'm going to show you today that brows are really nothing to be afraid of, and then they are very important as they do frame your face, and it can kind of give your eye a little bit of a lift too. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is where are your brows supposed to be? And one way to do, you can do that by shaping. You can either go get them professional. Oh, there's my clock. I'm sorry. I need to turn it off before filming, I guess. But yeah, I didn't think about that. Anyway, sorry. But anyway, we'll go ahead and continue on. You can either go get them professionally threaded, waxed, and they can do the shaping for you, or you can do them yourself, and then you can pluck them. You can shave them with a little device like this. But I will tell you, it won't the style won't last as long with this. This will be good to do like in between waxings or something, and it's really easy because you just shave the brows where you don't. With the little hairs that are growing, we don't want to want them to go. So it's good for in between appointments, but it doesn't keep the hair gone as long as plucking or waxing or threading. But anyway, where are your brows supposed to go? How do you shape them? All right, I'll show you this. I drew a little picture here. Pardon I'm not much of a whiteboard artist, but we'll give it a go. First thing you do is you'll get a pencil, something, and you'll put it right here and you'll line that up like that. And then that'll give you where your brow should begin. And that's what we have right here. See, we did that. That's where your brow should begin. And the next one, to find out where your arch is supposed to be, you start right here at the outer nostril, go directly across the center of your eye as you're looking ahead. And then you make that mark right there. And that's where your arch should be. Okay? And then where your brow should end, you just take that pencil and you go right here to the corner of your eye, and that's where your brow should end. Right there. See how easy that is? You got the little dots. And then all you got to do, you see, you got the little dots, got the little light reflecting there. So then all you got to do is connect the dots. Then you got an eyebrow. And you can also, if you don't like the arch like that, you can do a rounder shape. Like that. And then if you want to make it a little thicker, you can go up a little higher here and do that. And then, fill it in. And it's that easy. Now, if you have full brows, you can pretty much do anything. You can you can also use stencils to kind of figure out where you want your brow to go. But then you can use things like a brow mascara, which is really cool. This is the Benefit one. This is really good. And then you just brush this on. And there you go. You're ready to go. And this has fibers in it. So if your brows are a little bit thin, if you go backwards, it kind of builds the fibers on there. So it makes your brows a little thicker. You can also there's all manners of pencils. You got the kind you have to sharpen. You've got the kind that are, if you can see that, teardrop shape, which are easy because then they're already about the width of the brow that you want, and then you just draw it in here and then turn it sideways and get that point. So this is a Benefit Goof Proof one that has that and has the spoolie on the end. You can also go with the micro pencil, which is what I just had in my hand. This one, micro pencil, and this is a micro pencil, another micro pencil. This is another type of a brow mascara. Let's see. There's so many different ways. And then there's even this one's like a felt tip marker that you can do. Can you see it? No. It's like a felt tip marker. And then there's also powder. There's also pencils like this one. Like this is a Benefit one that's it's a kind of a wedge. And it's also the nice width of your eyebrow. And then, of course, powder. I'm partial to the Benefit powder. Anyway, see, so any way you can to get those shaped in there and filled in, and it's really easy. And let me show you. I personally like powder. I've always used powder. I used to use NYX powder, but I definitely like the Benefit powder. I was a arch expert for Benefit for a while, and of course I got to love their products and their brushes. This is a Benefit brush. It's very thin, and I love it. It's perfect for this. So you just kind of color in your natural brows. Maybe lift it up a little bit higher. You know, kind of push everything upwards. Gonna stick, you'll wipe it right off. See? And do you see how that makes my eye look higher? Like I got a little bit of an eye lift or a brow lift. And it's just that easy to do that. And you can also, if you want to make it show up a little bit better, take your concealer, a very light concealer, much lighter than your skin tone. Get a brush. And then just kind of outline your brow with it. It does a couple things. It kind of neatens up any messy edges. And it highlights your brow. And it just kind of makes it look a lot neater and makes it stand out. I don't know if you can tell. Let's see, look at that. Got an instant eye lift, just like that. See, and it frames your face, so it kind of gets you, you already know you're going to get the nice dramatic look going on your face there without hardly any effort. You saw how quick I did that. I did that in real time. Super easy, and especially if you use a brow mascara, it's even faster. But I like the brow powder. It stays in place. It definitely outlines it, makes it show up a little darker. You know, also brow tinting. If you tint your brows, you won't even have to probably put any makeup on. When I have mine tinted, I don't even need to put anything on there unless I'm just really trying to glam it up. But look at that, just side by side. Instant eye lift. And I also want to let you all know I am a Neora brand partner. And as such, I'm going to be talking about a product here. Did I forget to bring it out here? Ah, I sure did. Well, anyway, I want to talk about the firming cream. You put it all over your body. It firms everything up. I will post some real results link down in the bottom or in the description box. And I'll also post a link to my website where you can purchase it. It's a good time to go ahead and get some right before summer. It gives you time to get it all rubbed in there and get everything all firmed up before your swimsuit body time, which I have a lot of areas I'm going to be putting it on from here to my ankles. Well, not literally on my face, but maybe my chin to my ankles so I can get everything all firmed up. And I won't have to feel, hopefully, as embarrassed as I usually am or self-conscious as I usually am at the swimming pool with my daughter this summer. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that up. Thank you all for joining me. If you have any questions or comments or anything else you'd like to see in a video, go ahead and drop me a message down in the comments. I appreciate it. And also, if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe and help my channel grow. And I really appreciate you all. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.